All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some more useful words in English with British accent ASMR from a dictionary with T. So let's have a look at some words. So, pragmatic, praxis, precept, precious, preface, prefix, preliminary, prelude. Let's have a look. Pressure, presto. Yeah. Presuppose, pretend. Okay, potential. Pride, yes. Pride. Yeah, definitely. Noun. Pride. Feeling of pleasure and satisfaction when one has done well. Feeling happy with what you've done or achieved. There's more. Too high an opinion of oneself. Sense of dignity and self-respect. Yeah. Too high of your opinions. Yeah. Or yourself. Yeah. Too much pride. Something that causes one to feel pride. Okay. Yeah, okay. So pride. Very good. Right. Let's get another word. So pride, noun. Let's get another word. Rota, rotten, rotund, ruble, roundabout, root, yeah, root, that's potential. Root, maybe, root, that's running, rumour, rupture, rustic. Let's have root. Root. Where's root gone? Oh, where's root? Okay. Noun. Roads taken to reach a destination. Okay. So noun. The path. The path used to get somewhere. That route or that route? The path used to get somewhere. Chosen way or route march. Long military training march or chosen way. The path of your of choice. That way or that way? Or that way. Okay. And let's get one more word, one more useful word. Soak, sober, society, Solipsism. Okay. Sold, solar. Yeah, solo. Solution. Okay, yes. Solution. Answer to a problem. Noun. Okay. Noun. The answer. Aha. Answer. Solution. Act of solving a problem. or liquid with something dissolved in it, a process of dissolving. Okay, so the act of solving a problem, the answer, or the act of finding the answer, the solution. So pride, yes. I have a lot of pride in my achievements. Yeah. We have pride in the fact that we drink tea. Or I drink tea with pride. With pride. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? The pride comes before the fall. So the pride comes before the fall, the collapse, the laying asunder. Yeah. Too much pride can be your downfall. Yeah. Too much pride can lead you to being defeated. You need to be careful that you don't have too much pride in life. It can hold you back. Hold you back. Hold you back. Delay you. Pride will hold you back in life. You need to be humble. But that's a different conversation. Being humble is better than being than having too much pride, or being proud. So route. I will take the long route up the mountain. There's that route, which is short, or that route, which is long. The long route. This is the short route. Yeah. We prefer to take the harder route. That way we can challenge ourselves. The hard route, challenge ourselves. Whichever route I take, I will bring tea with me. If I go that route, or that route, or that route, or that route, or that route, I will have tea with me. Yeah. You need to have tea with you when you take, if you take the long route in life, the hard route. Yeah. How cool is that? Some routes are smooth and others are windy. Smooth. Others are windy. Yeah, all over the place. Yeah. I took the long route all around Scotland. How cool is that? Now, solution. The answer. I now know the solution to the question. There is no solution to stop drinking tea. No, it can't be done. It can't be done. there are different solutions for each maths puzzle. Yeah, different solutions. One answer or a different answer. But there can only be one solution to life. One answer. Nothing more, nothing less. He is looking for the solution to his puzzle. Dilemma. What to do? This or that? A dilemma. A problem in life. She always looks for the easy solution. Easy solution. Yeah. But the quality of your solution should be related to the quality of life that you want. Yeah. The better the life you want, the better the solution must be. The better kind of life you want, the better the solution must be. If you want a good life, you need a good solution, a good answer, a good way to live it. Yeah. And most of the time, the solution is tea. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So pride, root, and solution. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.